We began looking at timber initially because we looked at resource depletion and the story of typical building materials, bricks, concrete, aluminium, etc. And timber just sort of stood out for us as a material that is very sustainable, it's very renewable, it answers a whole lot of problems in terms of resource depletion, in terms of skills, and it's the only material really that you can just grow. Timber is typically associated with cutting down of forests, but if we specify it and we use it in a building, then we're seen as destroying a kind of a natural resource or something that's indigenous. People view it as a product that's not particularly strong, which is a fallacy. I mean, the kind of strength to weight ratio that you have with timber is phenomenal. We've done research in the office that compares concrete slabs to timber floors and kind of the amount of material and the amount of weight that goes into producing an equally strong floor. And in that scenario, timber far outperforms concrete. One of the other concerns is fire, and research shows that timber is not flammable, but it's combustible, but it's not likely to be set on fire any more easily than any other building material. And once a building's on fire, no matter what it's made of, it's going to become a problem. All of these problems can be designed, engineered, and architected out of the equation, so that there are no longer problems anymore. Challenges right now is atmospheric carbon and greenhouse effect and global warming. Timber is a very real solution in terms of that. In fact, it's the only building material that can actually sequester carbon, and you can build carbon negative buildings if you use timber. Where we'd like to see timber going next in South Africa is beginning to change the perceptions about it, taking this product that we have called SA Pine and beginning to unbundle and promoting the use of timber in architectural design and construction, and building timber buildings, building high-rises and low-cost housing and everything out of timber. It's a fantastic product. I'm Tim Curtis, an architect at Collis & Associates. Our hope is that using timber as a major material in the building industry in South Africa can help to address and solve some of the major problems with climate change in the world today.